You thought my face was stuck that way, didn't you? Anyways, back again with another review for the Get Upside app. It's probably going to be the last review. It's not too much to talk about on the Get Upside app, but it's so much that you can gain from the Get Upside app. Why would you not want to use it? You're getting free money. You're saving on gas. You're getting cash back. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to use it, but I'm making these videos to try to help out some people. So anyways, the last but not least for the Get Upside app that I want to talk about. Not only does the Get Upside app get you free money and cheap gas, you can actually save when you go to restaurants. Boom, look, I just clicked the restaurant button. You can go to this place. You can go to that place. You can go to this place, that place, this place. Who knows what you want to do? In addition to all that, you can get money back, 7% back, 7% back, what a 13% back, 14% back. It's amazing. It's free money on things that you were already going to spend anyways. But they don't leave you hanging there. They don't leave you hanging there. They actually even let you get money back with groceries. Boom, boom. There's a grocery mart. Got it. I have not used the grocery one yet, but I have used the restaurant one, and you get paid for that as well. So, in conclusion, I'd like to say, please use the Get Upside app. Please save some money. Help a brother out. Use my invite code. It will be in the link below, in the description below. If you didn't know, use it. What is it? I'm going to read it out loud just in case y'all don't look down there. It's Q73FD. It's only 5 things. Use them. Bye. Peace.